Hi, I'm Lydia. I bring you greetings on behalf of the Ghana Union Finland, as well as the Ghana Embassy in Denmark, under the leadership of Her Excellency Amele Olenu Ewua Asamoah. I'm sure most of you might have heard about the mobile consular service. If not, never mind, because I'm here to give you information on when and how to access it. Mobile Consular Service is a new service that is being offered by the mission, where they travel to countries like Iceland, Finland, Norway, and Sweden to offer consular services such as issuing of passports, visas, dual citizenship, travel certificates, renunciations, and many more to Ghanaians and foreigners alike. So, on the 26th to 28th of October, Ghana Union Finland will be hosting a consular session of the Ghana Embassy in Denmark to offer aforementioned services to Ghanaians and foreigners in Finland. The good news is that during this period, you have the opportunity to apply immediately and you'll be issued your passport or visa within a week time. But of course, after all the requirements have been fulfilled. Ghana Union Finland is therefore entreating all Ghanaians and foreigners who wish to have a new passport within those specified days to get prepared for the consular session. All other information regarding time and venue will be communicated to you in due time. But for now, please save the date. Once again, this information was brought to you by Ghana Union Finland. Thank you.